Well, she's back up and running. The Civic. Somebody wants to see what's going on with this thing. Today, I'm gonna have my friend come by and look over it, see what's causing it not to start, see what I did wrong. There's probably like a plug missing or something real petty. So I'll try to set up the camera while he's working. If he's cool with it. If not, I'll just you know, when he's gone, I'll go ahead and break down whatever happened and what's happening. But yeah, still nothing, still same thing. I've been trying to get my guy out here to look at it for the last month, and there's just been complication after complication. I was sick one weekend, there was Easter the next, then he got caught up on side projects. So hopefully finally today we will go ahead and find out what happened, what I did wrong, and fingers crossed that we get this little shit box running again. That's crazy. Wasn't the Honda Civic there? Damn. There she is. So I had one of my friend's brothers. He came. It was timing. He took the dizzy off, turned it clockwise, whatever, how many which ways, popped it in and started. And then the next main problem was that the intake manifold gasket was shot, failed, done. And because I was lazy, when I put everything back on, I didn't put the one nut on the back bottom on. That was also causing it to leak, and it caused like a stupid idle problem. He took all that shit off, got everything on, cleaned it up, boom, everything is good to go. So now, oh, also we decided to put the new cluster in because when he wanted to set the idle, he wanted to see where the numbers were bouncing at. But come here, bam. So she is now 100% running. And bonus, we got the new cluster in there with the RPM gauge. She runs. Well, she's idling a little funny, but I don't really care. When you throw it in drive, it idles out perfectly. Only when it's in neutral and park is when it idles, when it's bouncing off the idle. It is fine by me. I don't really care. I need the car to just run. But for the most part, yeah, she stopped smoking now. It was smoking like crazy. We had this shit looking crazy. It was smoking crazy. I gotta put air in the tire. But yeah, there she is. She is back up and running, thanks. That's why it's good to have friends. It's good to meet new people. I'm super thankful, and I learned a lot. Tell you one thing, I'm not doing nothing without contacting my boy. Now he is my Honda specialist. I got somebody for Hondas. So now we can just move on to the next. All I need to do is slap some tint on and we can move on. I gotta put the interior back together. Gotta get the kill switch set back up again because I took it off. But somebody wanted an update on the Civic, and my wish is your command, my boy. She's back up and running, guys. So it was 100% timing, and then after the timing was fixed, there was an intake gasket fail.